Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we have started with the second lesson. Yes, what is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is How Plants Survive. Okay, in the part 1 video we studied about the adaptations and the habitat definition. Okay, some of the introduction part we learnt and adaptation in plants we learnt. Okay, as you all know that the plants are divided into two types. First one is the terrestrial plants, second one is the aquatic plants. What are the two types of plants? Terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Okay, next what we learnt, what is the meaning of terrestrial and aquatic? The meaning of terrestrial plant is nothing but the plants which will live on a land. Okay, the plants which live on a land here, nothing but on the land the plants will live. The plants which will live in water, nothing but the plants which will grow in a water are called aquatic plants. What are terrestrial plants? Plants that grow on a land are called terrestrial plants. Dear students, what is terrestrial plants? If the question are asked, what are the terrestrial plants? Okay, plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Okay, next we were studying about the plants in the plains we learnt. Okay, how the plants will live in a plains area like a teak, banyan tree. Okay, those all we learnt. Today in this video class let us learn about plants in the mountains. What we are learning today? Plants in the mountain. Yes, you all know what is mountains. You have in your surroundings you have seen the mountains. Okay, how the plants will live in the mountains? Let us see here. Okay, see here, plants in the mountains. In mountainous and hilly places like Ooty, Kashmir, Darjeeling and the Himalayan ranges, it is very cold during winter. Yes, dear students, you have heard these places name: Ooty, Kashmir, Darjeeling and Himalayan ranges. These are the name of the place. Ooty is one of the place, Kashmir also, Darjeeling and Himalaya. These are name of the place here. Okay, so what they are telling, in a winter season these places are very cold. How these places are? They are very cold in winter season. Yes, you all know the three types of season: summer season, rainy season and winter season. What they are telling here, okay, in the mountainous and hilly places, which these Ooty, Kashmir and Darjeeling and Himalaya, these are mountainous and hilly place we call. Nothing but here in a Ooty, Kashmir, Darjeeling and Himalaya, there are many mountains and there it is like a hilly place it is. So what happens here, during winter the climatic condition is very cold here. There is a snowfall in some areas. Snowfall, you know, yes, snow will be falling, white color, yes, like ice, the snowfall will be there. There is a snowfall in some areas. The trees that grow there have to survive the cold climate and snowfall. Yes, dear students, whichever the trees are growing in these areas, okay, how they will grow? They have to survive the cold climate, nothing but they have adapted to the cold condition here. Such trees only will grow here. Okay, these trees like for example pine and fir tree. Pine and fir, here they have given pine and fir tree will grow only in mountain places, and these pine and fir tree are adapted to the snowfall. They are adapted to where? Snowfall. Nothing but for cold climatic condition they are adapted here. Okay, I hope you are understanding whatever I am teaching. Instead of flowers, the trees have cones here and hence are also called conifers. Dear students, you can observe, okay, they don't have a flowers here. These plants, okay, these trees do not have a flowers. You can observe in the picture, they don't have flower here. Instead of flowers they are having a cones here. You can observe like a cone structure here. Okay, yes, this is a tree and they are having like a cone like a structure like this. Okay, cones we call. cone like a structure here. So instead of flowers, the trees have a cones here. What they are having? They are having a cones. Okay. Hence are also called a conifers. These trees are also called as a coniferous trees. For example, pine, fir are conifer trees because they don't have a flowers. They are having a cones here. In that plant body there is no flower. There is only cones here. Okay. The cones have a seed inside them. See dear students, the cones have a seeds here. Whatever the cones you can observe here, they are having what inside? They are having a seed here. You know what is a seed? Conifers have a needle like a leaves which have a waxy coating. This helps the snow slide off easily. Dear students, these conifers, they are having a needle like a leaves. A needle means you know the sharp ended. Like this we call, for this we call a needle. This end is sharp here. Needle. What they are telling? These conifers, they have a needle like a leaves. The leaves are very sharp here, needle like. Yes, this is a conifer. Like this the leaves will be there. Okay, the leaves will be how? Needle like. What is the meaning of needle? Okay, you can see that this is a needle. The leaves will be like this. So cone like a structure it is. Okay, the needle is nothing but the sharp end. For that we call a needle. Conifers have a needle like leaves. How the needle? Needle you know na? The sharp end will be sharp here. That is needle we call. Which have a waxy coating. Wax you all know. Yes, we will use a Vaseline. Yes, you all know in a winter season we are using a Vaseline for our body. Or nothing but for that we call a wax it is. How it is? To touch wax it is. So these leaves are having that waxy coating they are having. The leaves are having what? Waxy coating. Why the conifers leaves are having waxy coating? Because this helps the snow slide off easily. If waxy coating is there, if the snow falls on that leaf, it will just go off easily here. It will just go off easily. The main plants of these areas are pine, spruce, cedar and fir trees. These are some of the plants that grow in a mountain here. These trees have a straight and tall trunks and needle like a leaves. How they are having? They are having a straight. Their body is straight here and tall, and the trunks are very tall here, and they are having which kind of leaves? Needle like leaves. They are having a needle like leaves here. Needle is nothing but the sharp end we call, like this needle. Okay, needle like leaves they are having, and the leaves are having waxy coating. Why the leaves are having waxy coating? Because whatever the snow will fall off, it will go off easily here. Just slide and it will glow. They are also called coniferous trees. Okay, again, one more name for these trees are coniferous trees here. Coniferous trees. Okay, the main parts of these areas are pine, spruce, cedar and fir trees. These are some of the plants here which will grow in mountain areas. Okay, these trees do not shed all their leaves at the same time. Yes, dear students, as we learned about the plants, yes, all the plants they will shed their leaves. Nothing but all the leaves will fall off here. But what they are telling here, these trees do not shed all their leaves. Okay, what they will do here, they will not shed their all the leaves here. Nothing but all the leaves will not fall here. Okay. A few leaves fall and new ones grow. Only some of the leaves will fall off. Remaining will be in the plant only. And again the new ones will start to grow here. But as we have seen in some of the trees, all the leaves will fall. All the leaves will fall. Again the new leaves will start growing. But in these areas, okay, what it happens? Only a few leaves will fall off and new ones will start to grow here. So they are always green color. So whenever you see these trees, they are always green in color. So they are calling evergreen trees. Okay, why the coniferous trees are called evergreen forest? Because they do not shed all their leaves at the same time. Why, dear students? Because they do not shed their leaves at the same time. Okay, for that we are calling for these evergreen trees here. Okay, I hope you have understood what are evergreen trees here. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood plants in the mountains. What you have to do here, you have to read this para, whatever in your page number 188 they have given. Okay, plants in the mountains. Which plants will grow in a mountain? Okay, why these trees are called coniferous trees? Why coniferous trees are evergreen trees? This all you have to read from your textbook, and you have to find out the difficult words from this para, which is that plants in the mountains is there. Okay, in that 188 it is there, and in 189 also some of the things is covered. So what you have to do, choose some of the difficult words. Okay, and you have to write those difficult words in your rough book 5 times. This is the homework. You can observe the coniferous trees here. Some of the coniferous trees I have shown here. Red spruce. Yes, I have I have mentioned in the example. Red spruce trees will be like this, like a cone, like a structure only it is. How the trees, all the trees will look here like a cone, like a structure they are. So we will call a coniferous. Here it is a deodar. Yes, deodar also is mentioned. Deodar plant is here. Next, spruce. This is a spruce tree. Next, which came in your textbook. Next, red pine. Okay, sugar pine. These are some of the example for coniferous trees. Dear students, read from the textbook and find out the difficult words and practice it 5 times. In the next video class, again we will continue with this lesson. Till that, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.